In this video, we're looking at some date and time function. The date and time functions are functions that you use to perform operations on your date and time. With date and time function, you can extract date part, that is month, year, or day, from a date, or combine this date part to form a date. Same thing for time. Extract the time part, that is hour, minute, seconds, from a time, and also combine all these time parts to form a time. Alright, let's check out some functions that you can use to perform operations on your dates and your time.
Okay, we'll be looking at this date function today. Now, the date, year, month, and day function. Alright, so what is the day function used for? The day function will only return today's date by putting in this cell equal to today. Double click on the blue box, close my parentheses, and hit enter. It will return today's date. What about now? Now we return both the current date and the time. So equal to now, double click on this, close parentheses, then enter. You can see the time now. Today is 11th of September 2024, and this is the time. So I hit enter. That's it. Alright, so what then is the date function used for? The date function returns the date based on by year, month, and day. Before we look at the date function, let's check out the year function. Alright, so the year function will just extract year from a date. So we have a table here that contains, some details of the order ID, order date, shipping date, delivery time, order amount, and order status here. So if I want to extract the year from the order date, all I have to do is just say equal to year. I want to extract the year from this order date. So I'll come here and select the first cell in the order date and I'll hit enter. You can see we have 2024. So fill down. It has extracted all the year data from the order date. For month will extract the month from the date. If I want to extract the month from the shipping date, so I come here, I want to get the shipping month equals to month. You can see it returns the month, a number from 1, that is January, to 12, which is December. Double click on this, then the first argument is the shipping date. So I'll hit enter. So you can see now it's telling me, okay, this is January, February, April, May. So all these numbers represent the month. 1 for January down to 12 for December. So what about day? I want to get the delivery day by extracting the day from the delivery date. So we use the function date. It extracts the day from a date. So equal to day. Then you can see it returns the day of the month, a number from 1 to 31st. So come here, select the delivery date, and hit enter. So you can see it's showing 20. So don't be surprised. The format is month, day, and year. That's the format for this date here. So you can see it. This is how we use our year, month, and day function to extract dates values from our dates data set. So now we also have other functions too. Let's check out that. I have the year, I have the month, I have the date. I want to get the date from this. How do I obtain the date? So I obtain the date by combining these 3 columns using the date function. So I come in here, equal to, then I type in date. It says return the number that represents the date. The look on this, if argument is the year, comma, second argument is the month, comma, the third argument is the date. And I hit enter. So you can see how it is by combining the year. So let's look at what time. Now time from this, I have hour, column for hour, column for minute, column for seconds, and I want the time by combining all 3 columns together. I use a function called time equal to time. So it says convert hour, minute, and seconds given as numbers to an Excel serial number formatted with the time format. So I click on these blocks and I'll select this hour. The first argument you can see is hour, comma. Second argument here is minute, comma. The third argument is the second. So I'll hit enter. So you can see how that it has generated the time for us. You can see it here. So what if I want to, you can always format it. I'll just come here, go back to my home tab, then can come down here and we have time. Let this time, you can see that's changed to, you can now see the hour, the minute, and the second. So what if I now have the time? I want to extract the hour, the minute, and the second from the time. So use a function called hour for hours. So equal to hour. You can see it returns the hour as a number from 0, which is 12 a.m. to 23, which is 11 p.m. Click on this, but select this and hit enter. So you can see that return 10 hours. So you can see this. For minutes, it's still using the function minutes. Minute. You can see returns the minutes a number from 0 to 59. I click on this and I'll select this and I hit enter. So now I have that this is the, you can see 10 hours 34 minutes, which is true. So for seconds, all I have to do is just type in seconds there, seconds. So I click on this and I'll select this, I'll hit enter. So I can fill down now and I get the value for seconds. So that is how you format your data in your dates using the date function. All right, so that's on that. Thank you for watching. Please do not to like, hit the subscribe button, and also share to those that you know need this knowledge. All right, see you in the next video. Bye.